Today I'm gonna be turning $5 in capital into $100 in revenue. Let me show you how I'm doing it. Hey you guys, so it is currently Wednesday morning, which means it is 50-cent day at my bin store. And I am just getting ready to head over there and see what kind of goodies I can find. So the last time I went to 50-cent day, I spent a little over $12, including the sales tax, but I got over $600 in Amazon value for items to list on eBay. Now, by my average calculation, I usually find that items on eBay will list for about 50% of Amazon's value if you're not counting in shipping, which I never do. I don't do free shipping, which means if it has about $600 in Amazon value, I'm likely going to sell it for around $300 in value on eBay plus shipping. But I've already made that money back because of the items that I picked out to sell on Facebook to basically recoup my cost. So when I inevitably sell all of that stuff, it's going to be pure profit. In case you can't tell by now, 50-cent day is starting to become a little bit more of my regular routine. I do try to make about 2 trips to 50-cent day every single month at this bin store. And so I'm going again today. I have no idea if I'm going to find a lot of really good stuff or just a little bit of valuable stuff. I don't know. But my primary goal for today is to just get stuff for eBay and then maybe get 1 or 2 items that I can sell on Facebook to recoup, you know, whatever money I spend for eBay inventory. But I'm all done doing whatever I gotta do. They open at 9 o'clock, so let's head over there. I'm a little late to the party today, but that's okay. Everybody else is inside, but I know exactly what I'm looking for, and I don't really feel the need to race a crowd for it. The first bin I stopped at, I happened to stumble upon another one of those Friends couches that doubles as a phone stand. I did end up finding a second one later in this trip. The first time I found them, I sold it for $5, and then I did sell both of the ones that I found today for $5 each. The next thing that I found was this magnetic ring phone stand. Prices were kind of all over the place, anywhere from $15 to $20 for something like this, but I did end up selling this on my Facebook page for $6. You can probably tell that 50-cent day is definitely the more tedious day that I go and hunt because there is so much trash and just random stuff in the bins. You really have to dig to find those gems, which can be a little difficult or easy depending on whether or not you know what you're looking for. I found this little box that had 12 pieces of rug tape, currently on markdown on Amazon for $9.97. It's normally about $17, so I picked it up and I did sell it on Facebook for $4. I've been hearing about these because I've seen them on TikTok. I don't watch a lot of TikTok, but when I do, boy oh boy, I see that Stanley Cup stuff. So I knew that this was a set of Stanley Cup ice molds. They come in 3 different sizes, so you can have a giant ice cube from the base all the way to the top of your Stanley. This one was on Amazon for $20, and I sold it on my Facebook page for $6. And there's that second Friends couch. I have seen a lot of these, but I don't know how many times I can consistently sell them for $5, so I think I might stop after these 2. There's so much fabric and trash in the bins. I was pulling it away and I found this in-toilet sitz bath. It's electronic and it's worth $30 on Amazon. It's brand new and sealed. I can see the instruction booklet in there, so I know I can sell that on eBay. Then I saw this little satin colored spring flap mail slot. When I first grabbed this out of the bins, I had no idea it was going to be worth $40, and it's still brand new in the package, so that's a perfect eBay item. When I saw this box sitting upside down and open in the bins, I had a feeling it was something good. It is an X-Sense smart heat alarm. It is currently on discount on Amazon for $24. The instructions and everything was in there. It was still just open box, but the little detector itself is in brand new condition, so that's another perfect eBay item. You probably see a lot more things in the cart than I was talking about, is because I was just kind of picking up anything I thought might be worth something, and I was just gonna look up the values later. Hiding in the corner of this bin was this teeny tiny little box that has a Pi Sugar 3 portable lithium battery power module, and that's worth 40 bucks on Amazon. It was still brand new and sealed in the box, so that's gonna be perfect for eBay. Usually on 50-cent day, the bins are full of a lot of little stuff, but today for some reason it felt like it was full of even more, so I was really having to dig to find that good stuff today. And I didn't really have a lot of time to dig, so all of this extra trash and junk in the bins was kind of frustrating me, just being real. I found a clear Amazon return bag that has this refrigerator LED light board in it. It's currently on Amazon for $18, and so I figured that would be good for eBay. And with that, the allotted 20 minutes I was giving myself to dig was over, so I needed to find a little corner to go through my basket and figure out what was worth keeping and what I was just gonna throw back in the bins. So this trip was not nearly as eventful as I thought it was going to be. So I guess what I'm learning right now is that 50-cent day is definitely hit or miss. Do I feel like I completely missed today though? No, I don't feel like I completely missed, but I didn't find the same number of items that I expected to find. You know, I only spent $5, $5.38, because I had to pay sales tax. Yeah, didn't find as much as I expected to. I got 10 items in this bag, and surprisingly enough, it's split exactly down the middle. 5 items for eBay, 5 items for Facebook. But 2 of the items of the 5 for Facebook are duplicates. So let me show you the Facebook stuff, and then I'll show you the eBay stuff. So I picked up 2 more of these I picked up 2 more of these Friends phone case, so I picked up 2 of these French couch, did I just do it again? I picked up 2 more of the Friends couch phone stands. I sold the one that I had the last time I went. I sold it right away for $5. So I'm gonna try to sell 2 more at $5 a piece. Hopefully that gives me $10 in revenue, and boom, bada bing, bada bang, right there. I've doubled my money if I can sell both of those couches for $5 a piece. I also got this for Facebook. This is one of those Stanley Cup ice molds. I didn't even know that these were a thing, and then suddenly I start seeing them all over TikTok and they show up in the bin store. I don't know, but they're ice molds so that you can create a tubular ice thing that goes in your Stanley Cup so that I guess you don't have ice in the middle of your cup. I don't know. But anyway, I figure I can sell this on my Facebook page for like $4. I also got these. These are grippers for rugs. It's brand new in the package. It's roughly $10 on Amazon. I figure I can sell these for $4 on my page as well. And then the last thing that I got for Facebook, can't really see what it is, so I'll try to put a screenshot up here. It is a magnetic ring phone holder. So it's one of those rings that you have on the back of your phone, which a lot of people really like. They're super handy. I have one on the back of mine, although mine is built into the phone case, but it's just like a ring so that you can use it as a stand. You can hook it around your finger and, like, you know, your phone doesn't fall off your hand. But this one also has a magnet on it. So if you have a phone holder that has a magnet on it, you can, you know, magnetize your phone or whatever. So anyway, it's worth almost $20 on Amazon. I figure I can sell it on my page for maybe $6. So if I sell everything on Facebook for what I predict I can sell it on Facebook for, that alone will turn my $5 capital investment into 10. Let's do some math. Me and math. 10, 14, $24, so almost $20 in profit just on Facebook alone. So that would mean everything going on eBay now would be pure profit as long as I recoup my $5.38 via Facebook. So we're gonna start with this. This is a refrigerator light board fit. That's what the Amazon listing says. A refrigerator main LED light board fit for a Whirlpool or Kenmore refrigerator, and then I have all of the different models and stuff. But it's $18 on Amazon, so I figure sell it for at least half that on eBay plus the cost of shipping, so $9 or so. This thing inside this box that's brand new and never been used is a Pi Sugar 3 portable 1200 something lithium battery power module for a Raspberry Pi Zero handheld. No idea what all of that means. I only just, read it off of the Amazon listing, but it's worth $40 on Amazon. $40 on Amazon. So let's call it $20 for eBay, plus the cost of shipping. Remember, I don't do free shipping, so anytime I give my eBay price, that is the price plus the cost of shipping. This is open box, but it's still in there as well as the instructions. This is an Xsense smart heat alarm, and one of these sells on discount right now on Amazon for $24, 20% off, originally $30. I'm just gonna go off of the discounted price and we'll call it $12 on eBay. This was still brand new in the Amazon packaging. I was really surprised by that. This is an electric sitz bath. Everything is still in there, including the manual. It's never been opened. I guess this is just a sitz bath that you just place right there in your toilet. That's actually kind of cool. I didn't know such a thing existed. If you need something like this, that can be very, very handy. And it is $29.99 on Amazon, so let's call it $15 plus shipping for eBay. And then this last item for eBay, I was actually pretty shocked by the price. I saw it and I was kind of like, oh, maybe it's worth something. It's a satin colored steel mail slot. So you see it's got like the little flippy, like you flip to put your mail in and all of that. Surprisingly enough, this is $40 on Amazon. I had no idea it was gonna be worth so much. It's the satin color with the spring flap, $40 on Amazon. So let's call it $20 on eBay. So that means all 5 items that I got for eBay, I am estimating to sell them for roughly $76 plus the cost of shipping. So that means my little trip today where I spent $5.34 makes my total expected revenue of all of the 10 items that I picked up today to be $100. So $24 of that I expect to get off of Facebook, and then the other $76 of that I'm expecting to get on eBay. But in only 10 items, I am expecting to turn $5 into $100. So $5 in capital into $100 in revenue with only 10 items. And 5 of those I expect to sell within the next week or so because that is my standard turnover rate for selling things on Facebook. And then the other stuff I just need to get listed on eBay, and then whenever it sells, it sells. But the beautiful thing about selling stuff for me on Facebook right away is I recoup any cost almost instantaneously. So that means that everything that I have listed on eBay that's just sitting on a shelf waiting to sell, I have no capital tied up in it at all whatsoever. So when it sells, it's pure profit. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you like videos like this, please remember to hit that thumbs up button before you leave. That is the fastest way to let me know that you like these kind of videos so that I can continue to make them. If you have any questions or comments for me, please go down and leave them in the comment section. Also, please remember to check the video description. I always put a lot of useful information in there, including the link to my Facebook page. I get a lot of questions about how exactly I'm selling on Facebook because I don't use Facebook Marketplace. The fastest way to see how exactly I'm doing that is to go check out the page in real time. I always link my Facebook page near the top of every single video description. It should be the very first clickable link. You can actually go to my Facebook page and see how I am selling these items in real time. And I do ship items now. So if you happen to see something that you're interested in, you can join in on the fun and just put sold in the comments. If you have not yet subscribed, please remember to subscribe and click that notification bell. That way you're notified whenever I post my next video. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I will see you with the next one. Bye.